When it comes to frying plantain, people have their preferences. Some people like them thin and closer to a plantain chip. Some people like to fry chunks of plantain. Some coat their plantain in breadcrumbs and deep fry it. It's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just up to your taste and preference. Now, I like my fried plantain to be slightly burnt with a hint of bitterness from the caramelization, but sweet and gooey when you bite into it. And to achieve this, you need overripe plantains. And yes, these are overripe plantains that I had in my fridge for about 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. And as you can see here, it have no yellow remaining, no spots of yellow. They're totally black. And you know what they say, the blacker the plantain, the sweeter the plantain. So you might be watching this and thinking that the plantain spoiled, but you would be wrong. This is exactly the stage I need the plantain to be at to get the results that I want. And as I peel off the skin, you can see what I mean by overripe. It's on the verge of becoming mush. This is what I'm talking about. I like to cut it into thickish slices, and if you want, you could use a paper towel to get rid of some of that moisture. That syrupy or jam-like texture that the overripe plantains have is a result of the pectin in it, which is the same chemical that I spoke about that was used to make the guava jam nice and thick. So if you was making banana jam, you would use overripe bananas as well. And heat up your oil in the frying pan, and you want to fry the slices until they're past golden brown. Now, if you want a golden brown finish, that is perfectly fine, but I go in for a dark brown color. I really want that caramelized exterior for a deeper flavor. You want to drain the excess oil off the plantains. I like to put my plantain to drain on a wire rack and use some paper towels to soak up some of the excess oil as well. Now, I don't add any salt or anything to mine, just lovely and sweet fried plantain with the caramelized finish. Now, I had to admit, it's an elegant way to present a stack of fried plantains. No special plating technique to make this look like some kind of gourmet meal, but you know what? That is okay. There's the kind of thing where if you know, you know. You don't have to be all fancy looking and all camera ready and Instagrammable to be delicious. I was going to understand here and eat a plate of fried plantain, but Ronaldo was like, nobody want to watch a video with me eating a plate of fried plantain. So, I'm going for our old breakfast favorite, sada roti and fried plantain. Only thing missing is a little fried okra and a little fried aloo, and you're in the game. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so and ring the bell to be notified every time we post new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.